Welcome to your channel name. Today, we're breaking down cloud computing in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Cloud computing is the delivery of services like storage, databases, and software over the internet or the cloud. Instead of running programs on your computer, everything is stored and managed remotely. There are 3 main types of cloud services: IaaS, infrastructure as a service. This is the foundation, virtual machines, and storage. Companies like AWS provide this raw infrastructure. PaaS, platform as a service, developers love this. It offers an environment for building and deploying apps without managing the hardware. SaaS, software as a